Today, we are going to make a model of the plasma cell membrane. The plasma cell membrane is composed of phospholipid molecules. A phospholipid is made of a glycerol base with two fatty acid chains and a phosphate group. The phospholipid is said to have a dual personality because the fatty acid tails are hydrophobic and the phosphate head is hydrophilic. Phospholipid molecules arrange themselves into two rows called a bilayer. Today, we are going to make a model of the phospholipid bilayer. So this piece of paper is a model of phospholipids that we are going to fold into the bilayer that surrounds the cell. We often look at the phospholipid bilayer in cross-section, but I wanted to point out that the phospholipid bilayer wraps all the way around the cell. The inside of the cell is represented by the inside of this box. I used tape to hold this box together to give the box its shape and some rigidity. If we were to build this model in class, every group would get a different color of pipe cleaners. You are going to attach your color of pipe cleaners to the outside of your plasma cell membrane. And I would be able to identify all members of your group by the color of pipe cleaner attached to your phospholipid bilayer. We are going to use a toothpick to put a very small hole in the phospholipid bilayer. This blue bead represents a large polar glucose molecule. In order to help that glucose molecule pass through the phospholipid bilayer, we are going to use this straw. We are going to insert the straw through the phospholipid bilayer, and then we can easily transport the glucose molecules through the bilayer. We are now going to explore transport of molecules across the membrane in more detail.